it says, okay, Barilla's sales and units have slightly decreased, with sales dropping by 1.7 and 941,000. And that's going from this beginning point over here all the way to this final point at the end. Now, I am curious though about this peak here. In fact, it looks like there's a seasonal peak every year around the holidays, and I'm curious about this last one. So I can ask a question like this, maybe, you know, what powered their last holiday peak? And when I run this kind of a question, now you can really tell that I'm in the thread, in the context of the previous question. I'm referring to something that I saw on the chart. I want to know a little bit more detail behind that, and I don't just want a data extraction. I don't just want a dump of sales by week or something. I really want to drill in and understand across a number of different categories what it is that occurred. And so Max automatically intuits that and prepares that answer for me. And you can see here it's beginning to prepare this report as it's streaming back from the language model. So we'll let that finish concluding what it's going to say. And so, for example, I can see that the growth is primarily driven by the 16-ounce base size, as well as shortcut. So I get a couple of interesting insights there. I can also see that based on this chart, I can see that it examined base sizes, categories, and segments in order to perform this analysis. I can see each of them individually if I want to understand their breakout.